Hey everyone, this is JustTech and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I will show you so many giveaways and gift for you, and also the way to bypass the iCloud activation lock screen on various iPhones, iPad or iPod Touch. And also there are so many gift vouchers and exciting offers available in this video, like Amazon gift card worth $100 and other coupon codes. And also there is a surprise giveaway I have posted for you guys, so watch the video till the end to know more about the giveaway. So let me just go to my computer screen and start this process. Now first we will talk about the Black Friday and the Thanksgiving deals that are running on the altphone.com. They having so much offers, like win the Amazon gift card worth $100 and the Altphone iOS data manager giveaway, and there are so much exciting offer. You just need to share this activity with the hashtag Altphone Black Friday gift on any social media handle that are available here, and total 21 winners get a chance to win the $100 Amazon gift card and free keys for the Altphone data manager. They will announce the giveaway result on the 13th of December, so stay tuned on their social media handle. And also they are having the 75% discount. You can check out the description link. Now let's move further to the main process. We will use the Altphone activation unlocker to bypass the iCloud activation unlock for various iPhones, iPad or iPod Touch. You can get this tool from the description. You can just download it and easily install it on your system. This tool is available for both Windows and macOS, so you can easily install it. Now once you run, you can bypass the iCloud activation unlock and unlock the Apple ID from the activated devices, and also the turn off the capture sound of the iPhone, so you can use that. So we will use the activation unlock process. So first you need to connect your device. After that you need to jailbreak your device with the checkra1n, so it will automatically download the jailbreak files for you. So just wait for it to get complete. Now after that you will require the flash drive. Just insert it and click on next, and it will make the USB bootable. Now once the process is done, you just need to restart your PC and go to the different BIOS option as per your model, and you need to boot your pen drive from it. And after that you will see the checkra1n will run automatically on your system. Now you need to connect your supported device, and if you are on the latest iOS 14.8, you can select the first option to allow the untested iOS option, and then you can proceed to the jailbreak. And if you are on the lowest iOS version, you can proceed to normally. Now you can see we are getting into the DFU mode stage and the jailbreak process has been completed. Now just set up your device again, and the activation lock screen is still there. You need to go to Windows machine again to do the rest of the bypass process. Now just open the tool again and connect your device and click on start, and this time it will show your device details like iOS version, serial numbers and other thing. Now just verify that and click on start, and it will start bypassing your device. Now after the done, you just need to reactivate your device. Just click on the back button from the top, and this time it won't ask you the activation lock screen again, and it will directly skip to the setup part. So now just simply set up your device. So now as you can see on the screen, we have successfully bypassed our device with this tool. So that's how you can use the Altphone activation unlocker and bypass the iCloud activation lock screen very easily. So if you guys are interested in this tool, you can check out all the buying option of the tool, and also the coupon code is available for the discount. And don't forget to check out the Black Friday sale. Now let's talk about the giveaway. I am giving the 3 free license key of this tool. All you need to do is you need to confirm your entries displaying on the screen, and that's all, you are eligible in the giveaway. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.